Well, good Wednesday morning to you. Chris Hare here, the Crypto Cowboy, bringing you yet another video update. Figured after last night, we'd probably take a look this morning. We were getting close. Thought we might have some bounces, but we'll take a closer look at those charts in just a minute. So if you're liking these videos and enjoying them, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe so you see more videos just like this one. Comment on them. Tell me what you think. All of that drives into the algorithm for YouTube, and we'd really appreciate it. Also, none of these videos are for financial advice. They are for entertainment purposes and educational purposes only. Be careful investing in crypto. You could lose all your money. So it's an interesting morning. Figured I'd wait on New York Open. Things are kind of giving us a little better picture. So I thought it'd be a good morning. Go ahead and throw up a video, and just give you an update on what's going on. We go to the liquidation heat map for Bitcoin. You can see on a 24-hour chart, we're right in this pocket of liquidation, right under the 112,000. There's still this pocket around 111. I kind of feel like they might want to go to it before they go up and grab this higher liquidity, but we'll get into the charts and it'll kind of make a little more sense. We'll go to the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, not Yahoo. Let that load. Yeah, 39, dropped a point from last night. Still just kind of in a neutral position. Not surprised seeing that we're in chop. You go to crypto bubbles this morning, still a mixed bag. Nothing really has made a decision on what it wants to do here. So that's kind of where we are as far from a fundamental standpoint. Now for the charts, Bitcoin, that's Solana. We'll go down to Bitcoin. Bitcoin 4-hour. Here we go. Trying to retest this 200-day move, or this 200 candle smoothed moving average. It's a little different than a regular EMA or SMA. I like it a little better. Trying to retest it. Look like it's failing on the 4-hour. You can see we've got a red candle kind of starting to show. You go out to the hourly, kind of tells you the same story. I kind of thought it might want to run up and test maybe this 200 on the 1 hour, but it's looking a little weak. If we go anywhere, we might tap this 382, but I still think our bottom target around 110,000 is in play. Moving on to XRP for the day. We kept putting in these lower highs, or these higher lows, which kind of had me interested. Right now we're testing that 50. It still looks like a WXYXZ to me. I kind of feel like they're going to reject here. If anything, it's going to come up and test this 200 moving average. You go out on the 4-hour, kind of looks the same way. Kind of working up. I wouldn't be shocked to test up here, retest this daily, or this 4-hour 200 or this 4-hour 50. It kind of seems like what they're all wanting to do. Ethereum, kind of the same boat. Kind of stuck in the middle here. Stuck in between the 50, stuck in between the 200 on the 4-hour. What I think probably we'll do, we might go up and look for a retest somewhere around 43.40, something like that. Then we're going to come on down and go ahead and grab those bottom targets. These just aren't enough for me to want a long today. Probably going to hang out, watch, see if anything shifts. I'll make a post on my X. I'll make a post in the Crypto School Discord. You'll have full access to it. Like I said, coming up to test that 382, we may want to check out that 50 moving average somewhere around 221. But it's still a wave 5 move down, so I think they're going to reject pretty soon. I thought we'd bounce here, and we did, but I just don't think it's going to be strong. Maybe more of a dead cat bounce before we go ahead and finish down 193 to 176. Link on the 4-hour, same scenario. Rejected the 382, lost the 200, came back up, reclaimed it. We're trying to test it right now. I don't think we go up much above this half. It may wait on this 50 smoothing average. It's kind of what we've talked about all week, that I thought that they would wait for those to catch up, then probably try to reject off of them. You got to keep in mind, guys, we've got $20 billion in options expiring on Friday. So these things the market makers are going to want to push these things down, make those worthless, and force some margin calls to drive that price down a little more. Same thing with silly. had the target marked. We kind of tapped it, came down, working on a retest. We may run up and retest at this halfway point. It's anybody's guess. Like I said, it's not enough that I'm probably going to long it. I'm looking for a bigger swing. Then we'll come on down and finish our target here. There's a possibility that you could come all the way to the 236, like 356, 362. I'm going to watch it close. We'll see. That would be the top of wave one, where sometimes these things like to go. So it seems like it's a valid argument. Last but not least, moving out to AVAX on the 4 hour. This thing's running like crazy, working its way down to that A move like we've talked around 3250, head up to 3441. Come on down, retest or test somewhere around 2998 to 2819. So yeah, there you have it. That's kind of a pretty good look of what we've got going on this morning. I may hedge some longs off the 1 hour if they look a little stronger. Right now, I'm not very confident. One more thing I wanted to show you, Crypto Strategy School. You can find a link in my description to this school. Absolute gold. Everybody's gearing up for this morning, trying to figure out. You can see I'm posting my charts. Other guys are posting theirs. We're just really trying to get a handle on what's going on and get ready for the day, especially before New York Open, which I think we're pretty close. But like I said, you have access to all of these coaches. They're so intelligent, so much help. And then let's look at the gains for just this morning. Let me pull that up, community gains. And there you go, 157% just this morning, just late last night, 866%. Everybody is just killing it in here. And then again, you can find all my updates. If I decide to take a hedge long, I'll let everybody know. Post all my charts there for reference, my YouTube videos, any kind of gains. But yeah, come check us out. Like I said, the link will be in my description. You'll have full access to me. I'll make sure of it. And I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch these videos. It means a lot. I love all the comments. It lets me know that we're doing something right, and you guys are getting some value out of it too. So once again, Chris Hare, the Crypto Cowboy, happy Monday. Hope it's a great day. We'll catch up with you this evening for a better update and see where we ended up. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.